We got this. Now, where do we go from here? It's important. You have to please watch this video that I talked about more than a week ago. This video has been published more than a week ago. There were several things I talked about. Firstly, I talked about the monthly retest of the 20-day moving average. I talked about how this will only start selling once you see the blue algorithm building liquidity, and you've seen that happen twice here with the 5-day moving average moving all the way down in that orange selling continuation structure. I talked about, very importantly, on the retest of that 20-day moving average, you watch out for the 5-day forming that liquidity together with the magenta algorithm here, and you see us breaking out where we are at today. Now, I would implore you to watch that video and the subsequent videos daily, and for you to chain up the preparation, understanding how we prepare for our plays, and by identifying the liquidity levels together with the algorithms right there. It's not meant for you to watch and see that I'm right. That's secondary. It's more important that you understand the thought process. It's more important that you chain up the plays together, see for yourself how a daily preparation can lead you to find profits in the charts, not just on a daily basis, but also to attune your mind to understand the context of the market so you can be more in tune to make money. That's very important. You need to be well in sync with the pulse of the market. So please do watch them. And I thank you for watching the videos daily, because it's just less than 10 minutes a day will help you greatly. It certainly will. Thank you for that. Thank you for putting in time for your own success. I'm rooting for you. You know that. And this is why I'm doing that. So by watching, you honor my work. I'm grateful for that, because my work is to hope that you find success in your own ways. So please do spend some time to study this and to understand how to be looking out for the profits in the charts. Now, where we at right now?